Well, it's soon got round to the weekend again. And when it comes to Saturday especially, we like to have a bit of a walk round the garden, see if there's anything that we can harvest today. Normally there is, but as we get later into year, there is going to be less and less. And that's what this is all about. Replacing all the plants that we've exhausted through summer with things to carry on through autumn and winter. So, I'll have a quick look round, see if there's out we can get today. This chilli plant is definitely starting to get a bit tired now, but we've still got a couple of peppers on it, and they're quite nice ones. So, we might as well take those off. I don't think much more is going to happen with this plant now. Even the ones that are only partially ripe, we'll take those off anyway. So, not too bad. You don't need many hot chili peppers. And there's a small ripe pepper as well. But unfortunately, that's happened to it. So that's no good at all. And it looks like something has bored its way inside. And that was the other side of the plant to what we were looking at. So we never even knew that was happening. So it makes you wonder exactly what it were that did that. There's a couple of little marks on this, but nothing major. And I've got quite a lot of bright red peppers in fridge at the moment. So now that I know something's attacking this plant, I think we'll have a few green ones today. They're not really going to get much bigger than they are, and they're going to take a lot longer to ripen now. So we'll take all the big ones off. They're all perfectly fine. So I'll go and see what there is outside as well. And we've got some container lettuce as well. And I haven't got any lettuce in fridge at the moment, so I think we'll have one of those. And I'm just going to cut the whole thing from bottom. Nice bit of lettuce there. And we've got quite a few of these cherry tomatoes that's ripe now. These are plants that we cut back not too long ago, but some getting a bit too overripe. So we better take off what we can. Well, we've took all those off, so now what's left will start to ripen a bit quicker, ready for another harvest. Also got some nice big ones on this plant, so we'll take a few of those. Just one strawberry today, but we'll take it. This cucumber plant's also getting a bit tired now. A lot of leaves are dying back. We've still got a really nice one on here, which we've left to ripen. But at the bottom is this really odd looking one. But it's still a nice little bit of cucumber. So we'll take that off. That'll easily make up a decent salad for two people. Well, I think once again, for a Saturday, that's not a bad little harvest. Especially when you consider that we take harvests through the week as well. And then at the weekend, we still have more. But it is all starting to slow down quite a bit now. But I think that's a pretty good result for autumn. Lots and lots of tomatoes. Really nice little lettuce. And then we've got some nice green peppers as well. And a few hot chili peppers. And we did lose one of those peppers because something has obviously bore its way inside. But we just didn't notice it because it was on the opposite side. But we still got some really nice green peppers. And hot chili peppers. And sometimes it will produce strange looking fruits. Still perfectly edible. That'll do us. And again, without fail, boatloads of tomatoes. So I think for today, that's a nice little weekend harvest. And this afternoon we'll be sowing a few more seeds so we can carry on things like this through autumn and winter, albeit in smaller quantities, but still something for the sake of planting just a few seeds. Anyway, take care. Thank you very much for watching and enjoy your weekend.